White flag is out. Here we go, side by side, diving into it. Oh, they touch. A battle for the lead, a battle for a trophy, a battle for the win. The bragging rights are on the line. Who's it going to be? Side by side. Andrus on the outside. Oh, we call that. Whoa, he might not. And he, whoa. The tow truck crew over there just woke up. Check out the rear of that 97 when he hit that interior wall. He will not pass tech with that car. The winner. The winner car, well, he got the trophy, but it ended up being quite a hit into that interior retaining wall.